In this video, we are going to explore another amazing tool in Adobe Firefly, and that is text to vector. So here we need SVGs file from a detailed text description. And so basically it can generate the SVGs file from the detailed text description, and it has some sample like this. But let's just click on it to understand it better. So basically what it does is you just upload an image and it will turn it into vector images. So basically this option is perfect for logos and other SVG files. Click OK, click OK again, click OK. And since we need a sample SVG file, let me just download it directly from Google. Now this is the file from the Vector Art AI. I just open this and let's just download this for a sample. Let's go to the Adobe Firefly, add this image. It's in our device and it's from the desktop. Let's write all files, but it's saved as the SVG document. So SVG image, we want basically the image.